Lopez Sanchez Cano, and I will talk about the relation of chemistry with food and three possible solutions of the mildew ice caps.
My name is Jennifer Judith Requena Araujo, and I will talk about the relation between chemistry and medicine and chemistry and global warming. First, we must know that our entire body is composed of chemical compounds. So what happens when we get sick and take a medicine? What happens is that there is a chemical reaction between the chemicals in the medicine and the compounds of our body. This reaction produces a specific function in our system depending on what we used. So the pharmacologist must know how our body will react with the medicine's chemicals.
The application of chemistry in food. Food aeration is one of the most extensible and thoroughly studied methods of food preservation. Despite voluminous data on safety and wholesomeness of aerated foods, food aeration is still a process of waiting, although some countries are allowing the use of aeration technology of certain foods. Its full potential is not recognized. Only 37 countries worldwide permit the use of this technology. If used to its full potential, food aeration can save millions of human lives, being lost annually how to food for diseases of starvation and can add billions of dollars to the world economy. This paper briefly reviews the history and chemistry of food aeration, along with its main applications, impediment to its adaptation, and its role in improving food availability and health situation, particularly in developing countries.
Chemistry and warfare. The first large-scale use of traditional weapon of mass destruction, chemical, biological, or nuclear, involved the successful deployment of chemical weapons during First World War. Historians now refer to the Great War as the Chemist War because of the scientific and engineering mobilization efforts by the major belligerents. The development, production, and deployment of war gases such as chlorine and mustard creates new and complex public health threats that endanger not only soldiers and civilians on the battlefield, but also chemical workers on the home front involved in the large-scale manufacturing process. The development of chemical warfare agents during the Second World War led to the so-called nerve gases, which are quick-acting poisons attacking the nervous systems.
What does chemistry have to do with global warming? The best example would be the greenhouse effect, which is the process of the heat of a planet getting trapped by gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and chlorofluorocarbons. And then the gases redirect the heat to all the directions of the planet, causing an elevation in the planet's temperature. In other words, global warming. Gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and have the property to be very good absorbers of infrared light, and they trap the heat from the Earth.
Three principal solutions for the melting ice caps. One of the principal causes of the melting ice caps are the greenhouse effect, that is effect of a principal way by human activity. Useless car. The use of the car generates gases, and this maybe you can believe that this is not important, but a lot of person use this and the emission is in higher amounts that are incredible. This is a level individual. And recycling of solid and liquid waste, solid waste and organic liquids release methane and nitrous oxide. The capture and controlled burning of the gases may be report not only environmental benefits but contribute to energy or power generation. This is a community or country level, and clear development mechanisms and investment opportunities. Follow the rules of these mechanics of Kyoto Protocol. This protocol was created with the intention of reduce the greenhouse effect that generates the melting ice caps in the level of the country.
In conclusion, we can say that the chemistry is fundamental in the advancement of the modern world, because it has helped in the progress of different fields such as the ones that we had mentioned before. The chemistry is essential for understanding much of the natural world and central to many other scientific disciplines. The chemistry has helped also in the development of new technologies such as the new medicines or by contributing to the caring of the natural environment. That's why chemistry is important in our modern world.